For today's soup, nag-prepare po ako ng apples and pear soup or yung tinatawag nilang tea. Siyempre, yung mga ingredients ko, andito po sa video kung makikita nyo kung paano ko siya prepare at saka paano ko siya ginawa. So, you can watch it and you can try to make by your own as long as the ingredients are already prepared and washed at saka natin to pakukuluan ng 1 to 2 hours. So, enjoy cooking, enjoy watching, and thank you for watching, and please hit subscribe if you want more this video. Okay, bye-bye!